Alam nyo si Sis.
Ganun ba talaga tawagan niyo, sir?
She can take care of herself. She can take care. She does not need my help in any way. If she asks for it, she has it. Not because of any suspected familial connection, but she's my friend, she's my colleague. Kung humingi siya ng tulong sa akin, tutulungan ko siya. Asahan niya yun. Malapit ako sa pamilya niya. Kung si Manay Su lumapit sa akin, sabihin, patulungan mo naman si Grace, paano ko namang hihindian yun? Bata pa ako, magkaibigan na sila ng magulang ko. Of course, I will help her in any way that she needs. But I don't think she needs my help. She's doing very well. She can take care of herself. If she needs me to help her in any way, she has that help. As a matter of advice, naku, masanay ka na. 3 taong ka pa lang sa national politics. Ganyan talaga. Ngayon, nailagay ka na ngayon sa presidential. Mas lalo magiging matindi ang pagbabato sa'yo ng kung ano-ano. Ano pang mga family problems ang gusto niyo?